Okay, today it's another National Trust Day, and we are at a place called Fountain Abbey and Studley Park, which has got, there's deer everywhere here. We stayed here last night actually. Not really supposed to stay at the National Trust sites, but gates were open, so it was a bit of free parking. Onwards, upwards, woo! This is it. So a fallen down building from the modern era, like it needs to be demolished and removed. But because this is sort of 300, 400, 500 years old, it looks amazing. I've been to a lot of ruins in my time. In fact, I used to be a bit of a ruin, but this is really special. I highly recommend this. The hall is absolutely enormous. Everything is open. You can walk into any part you want. Clearly, if something falls off the walls or something, you've got a bit of a problem. There's enough of the sort of foundation and facade in place to just show you how big it must have been. So I found out what happened here. Another fellow historian helped me out. Henry VIII destroyed this whole place. Clearly, in the 1500s, Henry VIII wanted to get divorced and created a new church. So what does he do? He destroys all the Catholic churches. I thought my divorce was an expensive one, but he really destroyed just about everything in this country that was related to Catholicism. Quite incredible. And it must have been so opulent and so magnificent when it was fully functioning. I mean, it's a shame, but no one gets into a divorce and gets out of it without anything intact. Onwards, up, and woo!